Never heard of this guy. Japanese as well. Surely this isn't going to be Liverpool's main defensive mid target. I'm guessing they're signing him to be like a utility player while they still go for someone better. Like, I don't know. Amrabat maybe. Hijack from United. Okay. 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 Hey, always clock cooking. Hey, this guy's good, bro. Why haven't West Ham snatched this guy up? Oh my gosh. Can pass, can tackle, aggressive. Boy. So what is he? Is he a box to box or DM? Or both maybe? Hey. Energy man. High intensity. This is a Klopp player. This is a Klopp player. He is going to cook for Klopp. He is going to cook for Liverpool. Looks like he'd be a very good utility player for them. Very useful. I'm not trying to be racist or anything. Reminds me a bit of Part G Sung. He's got something about it. I like him, man. Definitely a good player. Hey, Liverpool might have got one with him, you know. Under the radar. How much is he? 18 mil, did I see? Hey. Let's see, man. Let's see. Well, thanks for tuning in. Hope you learned something. I learned something, definitely. But yeah, like, subscribe, and see you next time.